Hey guys, welcome back. Bad news, 31 Days of Christmas is canceled. I'll try again next year. I just had some difficulties with really uploading the videos. Like, I made all the videos, but I couldn't upload them to my computer because it was old, and honestly it's an HP Google, so you can't really upload. But today's the day. We got the new MacBook. So this is the 2018 MacBook Air Pro, I believe. Maybe not Pro. So yeah, let's open it. Maybe. So I've been waiting to get this for a while, actually. I just didn't have the money for it, but you know, things changed. Alright, so once you open it, it's just like this. I got the gold one, but it kind of looks rose gold, so I guess that's what they were going for. I know the only rose gold one was in 2016, right? That's the one I wanted, but I wasn't getting a 2-year-old computer if I was spending all that money. Alright, so there's a protectant. Oh, and then just the charger and just forget that. Alright, so this is the beauty. She's gorgeous. So now with this, I still will be uploading a few Christmas videos that I've done, but not 31 days, because I rather give you guys good quality than crappy quality videos, you know? So yeah, I'll be posting some of the videos soon. Oh, okay. You open it, it had another film. This is her. She's very thin, lightweight. There's only three ports. So I guess first impression is really good. Like, wasn't expecting her to be this light. Love the color. Love how thin she is. I can just, you know, just stick her in my bag for school. So yeah. Oh, it has Touch ID. This is pretty cool. So yeah, I haven't been posting the Christmas videos because I recorded them, of course, on my phone because I don't have a camera. I lost it in storage. Maybe not. And I sent the videos to my boyfriend because they wouldn't upload on my computer to see if he could do it on his computer, and then it just stopped working. So whatever videos I have left that are nice, I will still post. So it's not going to be 31 videos, but you will have some type of Christmas content. I most likely will try it again next year, and it'll be bigger, and actually 31 days of videos. But other than that, this is it. It's not really a long unboxing video because I gotta set it up and everything. But yeah. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like